Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the FIRETHUMB TikTok filter. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the Discover tab where you see that magnifying glass and click on Discover. That will open up this page where you're going to want to go to the search bar at the top of the screen and enter in FIRETHUMB filter, all one word, no spaces. And then find a video that is using the FIRETHUMB filter effect. Top one on the left right here right now is for sure using the FIRETHUMB filter. You can see the icon at the bottom left hand side of the video. Go ahead and click on that icon where it says FIRETHUMB. That will open up a page that looks similar to this, where you can go right underneath FIRETHUMB and click on Add to Favorites. Now, to make a TikTok video using the FIRETHUMB effect, you can of course click on the camera icon down at the center of the screen right now, or you can also back out with the back arrows, return to the Home tab, and then you can go ahead and click on Me. And then right to the right of where it says Edit Profile, you're going to see the Bookmark tab. Go ahead and click on that. And then swipe over to the right where it says Effects. And you can see all of the effects that you have stolen from other TikTok users. Right there is FIRETHUMB. Click on FIRETHUMB. That will take you back to this page where of course you can press the camera icon to go ahead and film your video with the FIRETHUMB effect. I hope this video helped you out on how to get the FIRETHUMB effect TikTok filter. If it did, smash that like button and consider subscribing because we talk about this sort of thing often. Thanks for watching. Take care.